Welcome back to the Module 1 Algebra Foundations. Today's topic Laws of Exponent. These rules forms the backbone of algebra and calculus. But we are not going to memorize them, we are going to understand them. Let's begin. Why does x cubed times x square becomes x power 5? Why do exponents add? Is it a magic? No, it's logic. Today we uncover the logic behind the laws of exponents. Let's go back to the basics. Exponent means repeated multiplication. What is x cube means? X times x times x. X square means x times x. Now multiply x cube times x square. X times x times x or multiply x times x. Count how many x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get x power 5. That's why exponents add. This rule is named as product rule. What if we divide x to the power 5 divided by x square? Write the expanded form. Cancel common x in the numerator and denominator. What left? Left with 3 x's in the numerator. So x to the power 5 divided by x square is equal to x cube. So exponents subtract. This rule is named as Quotient rule of exponents. What happens when we raise a power to another power? See the example. X cube the whole square. Let's expand this. X times x times x the whole square. So x cube times x cube is equal to total x power 6. So multiply exponents. This rule is named as power rule of exponents. What does x to the power minus 3 means? It does not mean a negative number. It means reciprocal. The x to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by x cube. Why? Because x cube divided by x cube is equal to x to the power 0. That is 1. So any number raised a power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, x to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by x cube. This rule named as negative exponent rule. What does x to the power 1 by 2 means? It means square root of x. X to the power 1 by 2 is equal to square root of x. Why? Because square root of x all square is equal to x. Why? Because square root sign and the square will cancel each other. Similarly, x to the power 1 by 3 is equal to cube root of x. This rule of exponent is named as fractional component rule of exponent. These are some solved examples for you. Please watch. Let's quickly recap the laws of exponents. Product rule. We add the exponents. Quotient rule. We subtract the exponents. Power rule. We multiply the exponents. Negative exponent means reciprocal. And fractional exponent represents a radical. These are not formulas to memorize. They are logical patterns. And once you understand the logic, algebra becomes simple. Now it's your turn to practice. Simplify the following expressions. And here is your challenge section. Take your time, apply the rules logically, and do not rush. If you can solve these confidently, you are building a strong algebra foundation. And strong foundations lead to confident calculus. We'll see you in the next lesson.